Hi, everyone. Welcome to the African American Health Program Caresimple app demonstration. In this video, we'll be going over how to use all the features on the Caresimple application. We'll be doing an overview of the app, how you can communicate with your health professional on the app, how you can view your health data, how you can download your health data, how you can share health reports to your doctor, physician, and how you can connect the app with your with your health features that are currently on your phone. So overall, the Caresimple application is very important in your time during this program, and it can really help evaluate how much you've been progressing during this time in your program. So we really want you to take advantage of it and for you to fully utilize all of its features. So during this demonstration, we'll be having my phone displayed on the screen, and we'll be going over it together so that you can see all of the steps in how to use the application. So during this demonstration, we'll be using an Apple iPhone, but a lot of the steps are very similar if you're using an Android, but just for this demonstration, we'll just be using an iPhone device. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is showing how to download Caresimple. So what you do if you have an iPhone is you're going to go to the App Store. It's this blue icon right here. So I'm going to click it. And I'm going to type in Caresimple. As you can see right up here, if you type in Caresimple, this will be the first app that you see. So we are going to click the download button. That's this button right here with the cloud icon. And we are going to let it download. And if you're using an Android, you're going to be going to the Google Play Store. But if you're using an Apple device, then you're going to be going to the App Store. So once it's finished downloading, you're going to click open, and then you will be taken to the Caresimple login page. Now, when you first enrolled in the program, you should have received an email that allows you to set up a password with the email address that you provided during the registration process. So once you have that information, you are going to log in to your account. So I have a test account that we'll be using for this demonstration. So all of the information is fictional. So I will be logging in there. And once you are logged in, you are going to be taken to the home page. And the home page we will be going over in the next step, in the overview of the application. So here is the Caresimple homepage. You have a lot of different features. So the first thing that you're going to see is the inbox, which is how you're going to communicate with the AAHP health support person that you're working with. You also have your care plan, which is all the tasks that you have to do during your time in the program. And then you have some more tasks. These are going to be for the devices that you've given. So if you have been assigned a glucometer, you're going to see all of your glucose tasks. You're going to have your notifications down here. And this is where you'll receive notifications for health reports, for reminders. All of your notifications are going to be right down here. And then you're going to have your results for all of your different health metrics. So you can easily peruse how you've been doing and how your numbers have been the last time that you did a reading. So that is what you're going to see here. So now we have two buttons on the top left and top right hand corner. On the left, we have this icon. This is going to be your profile page. So as I mentioned, this is a test account, so you won't see any actual information, but the person's, you're going to see your first and last name here. You can have your phone number. This page, you should always just verify that the information is correct. But all of your information is going to be here. If it's not correct, you can let your health coordinator know, and we'll make sure to reach out to you to make sure that it is correct. And there's also a few other questions that you can answer. This just helps the AAHP health provider know some basic information so we can help provide the best information to you. So there's a series of questions down here. And then on the right corner, you're going to see the settings. And we'll be going through all of these pieces individually, but just for now, I just wanted to show a basic overview of what it looks like. It's a very straightforward application once you use it a few times, because they really want to make it usable for a wide variety of people. So we definitely hope that you're able to go through it. And like I mentioned, we'll be going through all these things individually so that you have a stronger understanding. So the first thing that we're going to be showing on the app is how to communicate on the app. So what you do is you go to Inbox, which is going to be right here. This is how you're going to communicate with your AAHP health provider. You would want to communicate with your health provider any questions that you have about your readings, about the device that has been assigned to you, about how you can improve your numbers. So some common examples of something that you would share with your health provider is, my blood pressure has been very high over the past week. What steps can I do to bring this number down? Or another question is, my blood pressure device doesn't seem to be working very well. Is there anything that I can do to make it, to calibrate it? Or another question could be, my scale has been faulty recently. Is there anything else that I can do to calibrate that? So there's any communication that you have with your health provider, you can send here. So for example, if I want to say, my blood pressure is high, how can I reduce it? Once you send this message, your health provider will get it, and then they'll be able to respond to you as soon as possible. So we saw how to communicate on the app. The next step is going to be viewing your health data. So on the bottom of the screen here on the home page, you're going to see a series of health values. Now, everyone's health values will be different because people are enrolled in the program for different things. Some may be enrolled for glucose management. Some may be enrolled to help reduce blood pressure. So everyone's will be different, but for this demonstration, these are the health metrics that we have right now. So once you see your health metric, you're going to click whichever one you're interested in viewing. So right now I'm going to click body weight, and you can see a chart of how your weight has been progressing over a given period of time. So you can see it here. Again, this is fake information. So a person's weight did not jump up this high in a short period of time, but you can see how your health has improved over the given intervals. You can also, if you tap the screen, I'm just going to tap the screen, it changes to a different view. And you can see how your health value has changed over a longer period of time. So I'm going to change it back. Now this layout is best for your own analysis. If you're trying to share your health information with the doctor, there's a different way to do it. But if you're just trying to have a general understanding of how your health has been improving over a given period of time, then that's exactly what you're going to do. And you can do it with all the different values that you're actually recording during your time in the program. And as you can see here, if you have your weight, if you have your height rather, also entered in the program, then your BMI is automatically generated, as you can see right down here. And you have additional information on the bottom. So this is how you view your health data. So I'll just go through it again. If you scroll down, if you start from the top and then scroll down, and then you go to the results section, you can see all of your results for the different health values that you've been monitoring during your time in the program. So the next thing that we're going to do is adding new data on the app. So you're going to go to the similar spot where we were before. We're going to scroll all the way down to the results section. So let's say that you were on vacation over the weekend and you weren't able to bring your Caresimple scale with you. What you can do is if you go to the health category that you've been measuring, so I'm going to click body weight, and then you click the plus icon on the top right. You can actually add a manual entry to your health record. By default, it is going to have the scale that has been assigned to you. But if you do want to add another entry, you can just click manual entry, and then you can fill in the appropriate information. If it was today that you did the weigh-in, then you can identify that. You can mark the time, and you can also mark it as a manual entry, and then you can change your weight. And then after you click OK, all that information will be added to your health profile, and then you'll be able to see it on your actual progress chart. So again, you're going to click this plus button right on the top right-hand corner, and that will allow you to add additional health information. So now we are going to show how to download Now we are going to show how to download and share a health report. So if you go back to the home page, and if you go into the settings icon on the top right-hand corner and you click it, and then if you go to Logbook, which is right here, this is where you'll be able to create your own health report, and you'll be able to share it with a doctor. You'll be able to share it with a family member, or you'll even be able to save it to your phone that you can reference at another point in time. So as you can see here, we have a series of health data that we've been monitoring during our time in the program. We can see body weight, steps. A lot of you who are probably enrolled in the program will probably see your glucose readings, your blood pressure readings. But as I mentioned before, this is fake information, so it won't necessarily look like what yours does. So after you go to Logbook, if you click the PDF icon on the top right-hand corner, this is where you'll be able to generate your health report. And you can select the period of time that you want your health report to have the health data from. As you can see, there's the options right here. There's all of your health data over the past 2 weeks, over the past 4 weeks, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click 3 months. And we get a message saying success, your health report is being generated. You should receive it shortly in your dashboard notifications. So we are going to click continue. And then from here, we are going to click the back button, which is on the top left-hand corner. We're going to click it again, and then we're going to go back to the home page. And then eventually we'll get a notification that says your health report is ready. And once we get that notification, it's going to appear right here in the notifications area. And it will say your health report is ready. So I'm going to click that. And then here's where you receive all of your health notifications. So if we want to view our health reports, you can click the Open PDF. And once you do that, you're able to view your health report. So I'm going to click Open PDF. And here you can see figures of all of your health information that has been collected over the given period of time that you selected. So here you can see our weight, our BMI, the steps that we've taken, in addition to some data about our pulse. So here, I think this is the most beneficial part of the program, because you're able to share this information with a wide variety of health professionals. We always recommend every time you go to a primary care physician that you show this to them so that they can have a stronger understanding of how your health has changed over a period of time. So if your glucose has been really good, it's really important that your physician knows that information so that they can help cater their information to the to the exact situation that would apply to you. So once you see your health information here, you are going to click this icon on the top right-hand corner, and you can share it with anyone who you're interested in sharing it with, whether it's your doctor or a family member who you would like for them to view your health information. You can send it as an email, you can send it as a message, or you can even save it to your phone. So for this demonstration, we will be saving the health report to our phone by scrolling down and clicking Saved Files. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click Save on the top right-hand corner. For this demonstration, I'm going to click Replace. And then from here, if you go back to your home screen on your phone, and if you click Files, you will see the document that you just saved to your phone. And what's also beneficial is that you can keep notes on this document. You can highlight certain things that you want to point out to. So I'll show an example. Let's say that you have your weight, and then you wanted to write on it. You could circle this, and you could say, this was when you went hiking. So you could just say hike. And you could share it with your health professional, or if you wanted to, if you were curious about, you didn't quite remember what BMI stood for, you could circle that and put a question mark, so that you could remind yourself to talk to your doctor about your BMI values. So that is how you create and save your health report. As I mentioned, this is, I think, one of the most important things about the program, just because your doctor can really benefit from knowing this information. So we really, Caresimple makes it very easy for them or for you, the patient, to share this information. So we really want you to take advantage of this and use and communicate your health information to your health professionals. So there is another feature on the application called a data export feature. And this is where it takes the raw data from the app and turns it into an Excel file, which you can then share. This is more so for data analysis, but I think it can still be beneficial if you're trying to evaluate a lot or analyze a lot of your health information. It can still be beneficial. So we just wanted to include that during this demonstration. So I'll go over that now. So if you go on the top right-hand corner and click the settings icon again, and then go to data export file available, this is where you'll be able to do a data export. And if you click it, you get this notification that says export data. Would you like to download the generated export? You can click download and it will save it to the file spot on your phone, same place that we found the health report. So one other beneficial part of the program is that this Caresimple app actually connects to your health app on your phone. This would be beneficial if you have if you on your phone, it automatically records the steps that you take on the health app. And the Caresimple app can automatically receive a lot of this health data. So if you click the settings icon on the top right-hand corner, and if you click connected health, you are able to connect it to your health app by clicking that plus symbol right here on the health app. If you click that and then click connect, and you select the date that you want the data to start syncing from, let's say January 1st, 2021, you can allow the Caresimple app to access all of your health information. So you can have all of your health data in one location. So your phone will collect some of this information so you can have it so that all of your health information is just on your Caresimple app. That includes, for example, the steps that you take. That will include the readings from your Caresimple blood pressure device. So this is really beneficial if you want to allow all of your health information in one place. It makes it easier for you, and it makes it easier for anyone else who is viewing your health data to help improve your health. So just for this demonstration, I'm going to click don't allow. But if you do want to connect it, then you would click allow on the top right-hand corner. So that concludes our demonstration of the Caresimple application. I hope you had a good time watching this and that you learned how to use the Caresimple app. As I mentioned, there are a lot of features with the application, and we really want you to take advantage of it. You're really able to use it to improve your health outcomes and have a stronger understanding of how your health has been improving during this time in the program. And if you have any questions at any point in time during the program, please reach out to your African American Health Program health professional, who will reach out to you and make sure that everything is clear and you don't have any problems during your time in the program. So thank you for watching this video and have a great rest of your day.